Welcome to the Building Legacy channel. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. It's no secret that exercising is beneficial to our health. What we may not realize is that it can also be advantageous to our bank account. Research has found that exercise is more than just a means to burn calories, but also a way to live a better lifestyle. However, how much does exercising save you as a person? Stick around and find out as we elaborate on the 8 ways fitness relates to wealth, bringing stability in your life, especially in the financial aspect. Number 1. Exercise improves mental health and well-being. I know not all of us like to exercise, but you have to admit you feel good when you do it. Exercising has such wonderful benefits like weight loss, relieves daily stress, and you sleep better at night. Even a 10-minute vigorous walk has been proven to improve our mental sharpness, vitality, and mood. Regular physical activity may boost one's self-esteem while also reducing stress and anxiety. It also helps to possibly prevent mental health problems from developing and to improve the quality of life for people who are suffering from them. Did you know that by being physically active, you are better able to learn and remember new information? Increasing the blood flow throughout the body helps the brain to receive more oxygen, therefore enhancing brain activity. Exercise can be hard to get started, but once you do, you can set goals to exercise at least 3 times a week. I started walking 3 times a week, walking 3 miles each workout day. Exercising daily will keep you intellectually sharp, efficient, and focused on everyday tasks. Your goal should be to try and do some form of exercise, such as walk up and down the stairs 7 times, do squats while watching television, or stretch for 10 minutes to loosen the body. All these things can aid in stress relief and keep your brain active. Number 2. Taking care of your health. Since you started that exercise program, you may have hit some milestones such as improved health. How are you saving money? Each time you go to the doctor's office, you probably are responsible for a copay. Now, copays can be costly if you are in the doctor's office or hospital too often, or if certain items are not covered by medical insurance. Having an exercise routine can lower your blood pressure, reduce anxiety and depression, and can help you manage any other ailments you may be plagued with. Having a daily fitness regimen comes good health, which means more wealth in your pockets. When you take care of your mind and body, you'll possibly have less doctor visits. Number 3. Develop an elite level mindset. Consider your memory to be the file system for your brain, and everything you acquire is saved in this folder. However, there are plenty of people and entrepreneurs who aren't the most mentally fit. Long hours and stress might cause someone to neglect their health and eat junk food, which also leads to their physical health deteriorating. Like anything, exercise starts with your mentality, and you'll notice the most significant benefits when you train your mind to regulate your body actions. Number 4. Prioritize fitness as much as work. Due to endorphins increasing our physical energy level, we feel more revitalized and ready to face a jam-packed workday after a good workout. Professionals who devote the same amount of effort to fulfilling their health objectives as they do to accomplishing their business goals are more likely to be productive and have higher cognitive functionality. And as physical fitness increases, so does the quantity of work accomplished. Health and wealth go hand in hand. The healthier the person, the longer you can work and build wealth for yourself. Number 5. The benefits of a fitness tracker. Wearables for fitness, health, and data tracking have become increasingly common in recent years. Did you know that you can get that physical exercise every day if you wear a fitness tracker on your wrist? Now is the time to get in shape and measure your progress in burning those calories, keeping track of your heart rate as well as your success. Fitness trackers keep track of more than simply your exercises. They keep track of your diet and liquid consumption while also boosting your financial wellness. Some insurance firms, for instance, reward clients and workers who use these devices with cheaper insurance premiums and discounts in order to encourage them to be more hands-on in improving their health. Fitness trackers may make exercise more enjoyable, engaging, and economical, while also lowering your health risks and expenditures. Number 6. Drive less and walk more. Walking for 30 minutes or more on most days of the week is an excellent method to improve your health. And unlike several other types of exercise, walking is costless and requires no specific equipment or professional coaching. If you used to commute by vehicle but now work remotely, you're probably not spending the same amount of money on gas, tolls, and parking, which you might save or invest. Also, one good benefit is when you travel less miles, vehicle insurance companies offer cheaper premiums. You will get the health advantages of increased physical activity if you walk more each day. Walking can also improve the quality of your life in other ways, and you may realize that you don't require a car at all, or that you just require one automobile in your house. Number 7. Use healthy sleep apps. Short-term insomnia can be difficult to manage. It can have an impact on your physical and emotional health in ways that go beyond tired mornings. Sleep is essentially good for your body and keeps you focused during the day. This can lead to improved life as well as lower future healthcare expenses. Fortunately, a resource for attaining more peaceful sleep might be right in your hands. For some people, a steady noise, sometimes known as white noise, can help them relax and fall asleep. Many free applications may also come handy that may offer these background noises and assist you in establishing a healthy sleep regimen. Number 8. Save more money by eating at home. Did you know that the average family spends between $300 and $600 on restaurant meals each week? It's understandable that it's easy to go out and eat, not to mention quick and convenient. But we can't also deny that it's a significant portion of the monthly food expenditure which we can already save. It is a good idea to have greater control over how much you spend and what you eat if you take the time to make meals. Meal planning also helps you save money by allowing you to use coupons, shop discounts, and purchase just the items you truly require. It also doesn't have to take hours to plan. In fact, there are a few useful websites that may assist you along the way. Any amount of money saved is beneficial and can be used toward debt repayment, an emergency savings account for unanticipated circumstances, or a down payment. Saving money may assist you in navigating difficult circumstances, meeting financial commitments, and establishing wealth. It is critical to save money, but one's health is the greatest wealth. Thank you for watching.